Hi friends, it's evening 3:30 in the afternoon time. I just wake up from the sleep. I slept immediately after reaching the room around 11:30. Now I'm come outside to find some hotel to eat something. I'm hungry. So I'll walk to the main road. Maybe hopefully I'll find some hotels there. In the afternoon time, in the night time there are many shops, but in this time I don't know where I'm going to get something or not. Maybe I need to get some evening snacks. Night time is almost near to 4 o'clock. This is a main road and there are some construction also going on that way. There are so much traffic congestion. Most of the shops are closed here. I'll walk straight. There is one hotel I know. The name of the hotel is Shanthi Sagar. It's a not budget, it's a good hotel in this area. I am staying in Malur area in Bangalore suburbs. There is a place called Shanthi Sagar. It's a good vegetarian hotel. I'll go there. Already almost reach here. So this is the place I was talking about, Shanthi Sagar. Hopefully I hope I will get something to eat from here. This is the hotel I was talking about, Shanthi Sagar. And food is good tasty also. I asked and luckily they have this vegetarian meals. It's almost 3:30 for near to 4 o'clock, but still they have vegetarian rice plate, and it comes with 3 puris, 1 bowl of rice, sambar, carrot seeds, and 1 papad also, big one. And this is good enough to eat, and hopefully it will satisfy my hunger. It's look delicious also. It's pretty good and budget friendly also. It costs only 80 rupees.